Welcome to this video. Today, we're diving into the default accounts configuration settings in Odoo. This topic is crucial for businesses that manage multi-currency transactions, reconcile bank statements, or handle internal transfers. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what these settings do, but also understand how to use them effectively with real-world examples. Let's get started. Open the Accounting module in Odoo. Go to the Configuration menu and select Settings. Here, you'll find the Default Accounts section. Let's explore each option in detail. Post-exchange difference entries in. In multi-currency setups, currency values can fluctuate between the time a transaction is created and when it's settled. Odoo helps manage these fluctuations by recording the gains or losses in specific accounts. Journal. A journal is a record where financial transactions are logged. For exchange differences, you need to set or create a specific journal where these differences will be posted. For example, imagine you invoice a customer in USD when the exchange rate is $1 equals 0 euros and 90 cents. By the time the payment arrives, the exchange rate changes to $1 equals 95 cents. This fluctuation results in a currency gain. Odoo will log this gain in the journal you've set for exchange differences. Gain account. The gain account is used to record the profit when a currency's value increases during a transaction. For example, a vendor pays you in USD, and due to a favorable exchange rate, the amount received in your base currency, e.g., euro, is higher than expected. This additional amount is automatically recorded in the gain account. Loss account. The loss account is the counterpart to the gain account. It records losses when a currency's value decreases. For example, you make a payment in GBP, and by the time the transaction clears, the GBP weakens, meaning you lose money on the exchange. Odoo will automatically log this loss in the loss account. The following default accounts are used with certain features. Odoo also uses default accounts for specific scenarios to ensure seamless financial tracking. Let's break these down. Bank Suspense account. This account temporarily holds transactions during the bank statement reconciliation process. It acts as a placeholder until transactions are matched and finalized. For example, you deposit a $1,000 check into your bank, but the statement doesn't yet show who issued the check. Odoo places this transaction in the Bank Suspense account until the deposit is reconciled with the bank statement. Outstanding Receipts account. This account is used for receipts that haven't been reconciled yet. It ensures that money entering your account is tracked, even before reconciliation. For example, a customer transfers $500 into your bank account. Until you match this payment to the corresponding invoice in Odoo, the amount is temporarily recorded in the Outstanding Receipts account. Outstanding Payments account. This account tracks payments made from your account that are not yet reconciled with the bank statement. For example, you issue a payment to a supplier for $300. Until this payment appears on your bank statement and is reconciled in Odoo, it's recorded in the Outstanding Payments account. Internal Transfer account. This account is used as a temporary holding place for bank transfers between your own accounts. For example, you transfer $2,000 from your business checking account to your savings account. Odoo temporarily records this transaction in the Internal Transfer account until the transfer is fully processed. Why are these settings important? Accurate financial records. By configuring these default accounts, you ensure that every transaction, from currency exchanges to bank reconciliations, is accurately recorded. This helps you maintain clean and compliant financial records. Efficiency. Automating the handling of gains, losses, and unreconciled transactions reduces manual effort and minimizes errors. You can focus on decision-making rather than chasing after accounting discrepancies. Clarity in reporting. These accounts make it easier to understand your financial position. For example, you can quickly identify outstanding payments, unreconciled receipts, or the impact of currency fluctuations on your business. Real-world use case. Imagine you run an e-commerce business operating in the US and Europe. You sell products in USD and Euro. Currency gains and losses are inevitable due to fluctuations. Odoo tracks these seamlessly in the gain and loss accounts. Payments received from customers are logged in the Outstanding Receipts account until reconciled. Payments to vendors are tracked in the Outstanding Payments account, ensuring no payment is missed. Transfers between your USD and Euro accounts use the internal transfer account to maintain clarity. Conclusion: configuring these default accounts in Odoo is not just a technical step, it's a strategic move to improve the accuracy, efficiency, and clarity of your accounting processes. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.